pretty good little trailer. Since we have two over there, it's a little bit shorter. It's not as long, but it's pretty strong. Now this door here on the back, I kind of put it on backwards on purpose. Didn't want to go with whatever the manual said, so I did it that way. Kind of matches our front now, but I don't think I'll be using it as a dump trailer. You know, lift the thing up and dump it, you know. I don't think I'll be doing that, but if I do, I still can. Just, it's going to be hard pulling it up with crap on here, but just going for looks right now. But since it's brand new and I'll be keeping this in the shed and using it for, you know, heavy stuff, since it's heavy duty, I need to put sides on it. Which, over here, I have these old bed sides. Bed rails, I guess you could say. Got two small ones and one large one. The two small ones I'm going to put on the side, two sides of the trailer. That one and that one there. I'm going to leave the back one open. And with the long one, I think I'm going to remove the center rail, bring the two end ones closer in, nail them back, and then whatever's extra I'll chop, and that's the blocks I'm going to use to go up under the little runners on each side, because technically I need to screw those to the trailer, but I can't because there's like this much of a gap. So if I can use these wooden blocks once I chop the large one, then voila, should go good. Better for me to do it this way than start from scratch. And they look nicer. All I'm going to take is they're already kind of stained for me, but I might give them a little rustic look with the torch. You know? So, figure that out. being bunk bed rails. So what I did was took off 1/2 inch on either side of the front rail, since that was the large one that had 3 spindles holding them together. I had to shrink it. What I did with the staples is I just took a, what do you call it, a file, just filed them down. Because eventually, once I paint my 4-wheeler, I'm going to paint the wooden rails here the same color. Because, hey, let's make a match. Now the bottom bolts, they don't do anything. They're just decorative to match the rest of it. Because I can't, because it's kind of rounded. It really doesn't really do anything. This has a lip coming into the inside instead of going out like the rest of it. But yeah, I think it turned out pretty good. And what I had to do is basically pull the sides in, so if you ever get a big load, it doesn't pull the sides away from the bottom. Kind of actually turned out pretty good. Now these are just bed rails. When they originally was built by the company, they didn't make it completely perfect, as you can see here. It doesn't completely line up like it's supposed to. But I mean, hey, it's just a trailer that you're gonna haul crap in. You don't really need anything like wow, in my opinion. But yeah, I think it turned out pretty good. Heavy duty. It's got a wooden finish. So yeah, I think it's turned out pretty well. So I'm going to be posting something in the description for my Facebook page, so check that out. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't. If you like it or dislike it, don't be afraid to hit the button.